How to add items to cart in Flipkart. Found something you love but don't want to buy it just yet? Let me show you how to add items to your cart in just a few taps. First, open Flipkart website and search for your favorite product. Maybe it's a phone, shoes, or even cool gadgets. Click on the product you like. This will take you to the product detail page with all the juicy information, price, reviews, and seller details. Now, here's the magic button. Look for Add to Cart. One tap and boom, it saves safely into your cart. Want to see what's inside? Just tap the cart icon at the top right. Here you can review items, update quantity, or even remove things if you change your mind. Not done yet. You can keep browsing and keep adding more items. Your cart is like your personal shopping bag that never gets heavy. And that's it. Adding item to your Flipkart is super quick and simple. Now you're ready to shop smarter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your shopping buddies. See you in the next video and happy shopping.